A creator with 550,000 followers who is barely making money is facing a structural failure. The content is performing exactly as it should, but the business architecture required to turn that attention into a living is missing. Platform algorithms are built to do exactly one thing: give you reach. They serve your post to hundreds of thousands of people, but once the video ends, those viewers swipe away and leave without a single trace. To see where the money is going, look at this leaky bucket diagram. Right now, your views are pouring into the top of the funnel, but because there's no system in place to hold them, they fall straight out the bottom. The gap between your content and your revenue has a name: the capture layer. We seal that exit chute by routing attention through a specific sequence. First, we offer a free diagnostic. Second, we deliver it via an automated email sequence. And third, we present the paid offer. Before building BES, you only need 3 things: an active social media presence, a basic email marketing platform, and an idea for a paid product or service. Without this bridge, every viral post is wasted effort. You are creating substantial value for the platform, but you aren't capturing any of it for yourself. Step 1 is building the asset. We need to identify one specific problem your audience faces and create a quick tool to help them diagnose it. Do not try to write a 50-page ebook. Long-form guides create friction for the user and stall your momentum before you even launch. This mockup shows the ideal format. It's a simple, one-page free prompt audit structured as a checklist. It's fast to consume and provides immediate utility. Once the checklist is written, export it as a PDF or generate a shareable Notion link. Your asset is now ready to distribute. A hyper-specific lead magnet acts as a filter. It ignores the casual scroller and collects contact information only from the people who actually need the solution you're selling. Now we move to your email software to build the exchange point. This is the landing page where the transaction of value occurs. The page needs to be minimalist. Use a clear headline promising the diagnostic and include only 3 elements: a first name field, an email address field, and a submit button. Every extra field you add, like a last name or a phone number, creates technical friction. If you ask for too much, your conversion rate will drop. Once the form is set up, hit publish. Your exchange point is now live on the internet. Minimizing friction at this exact point is what maximizes your conversion rate from a casual stranger to a known contact. Step 3 is the automated follow-up. You need a system that instantly rewards a subscriber's trust without requiring manual work from you. In your automation builder, set the trigger to activate the moment a user submits the form. This immediately fires off email 1, containing the link to the free diagnostic. Next, insert a 1-day time delay. This prevents overwhelming the subscriber's inbox. After that 24-hour delay, the system sends email 2. This should contain a related story or a bonus tip to reinforce your authority on the subject. Before finishing, send a test email to yourself. Verify that the link opens the correct file and the automation logic is functioning. This automation separates your physical time from the relationship-building process. It allows you to build trust with thousands of people simultaneously. The final architectural step is integrating the pitch for your paid offer at the end of the sequence. Timing is the key to conversion. Avoid the cold selling approach on the left, where you shout a pitch in the very first email. Instead, use the path on the right, placing your offer on day 3 or day 4. Position the paid product as the logical next step to the diagnostic they already completed. If the free tool identified the problem, the paid product is the solution. In that final email, provide a direct link to your checkout page. Because of the previous steps, your audience is now warm. They have already received value from you, making this pitch a welcome service rather than an interruption. From the perspective of your follower, the experience is seamless. They click the link in your bio, enter an email, and instantly receive the asset. Your capture layer is now fully live and ready to intercept traffic from every post you share. This works because the sequence of the interaction matters far more than the volume of views. Views without capture are just noise, but with this system, every performing post compounds, turning your content directly into automated revenue.